Hey, and welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I have the pleasure of showing you this new arrival. It's a 2025 Harris 250 Cruiser. This one's in the white panel with the matte black accent, and we've done the black rails on this boat. Got the bimini top to match. It's a killer looking boat. Powered it really well. Let's hop aboard and check out some of the interior features. All right, welcome aboard this 250 Cruiser. This boat is in the CWDH layout. That stands for center walk-through dual helm. Very similar to the traditional quad bench style that you've seen on other boats. We've got great storage under these seats back here. Got your battery in there. Plenty of cup holders and USB chargers throughout the boat as well. This particular one is powered with a 200 horsepower Mercury V6, which you see back here behind your ski tow pylon. It's great power for this boat. You get a skier up, no problem. We've also got the bimini top here, which can fold back into this position or be stored upright as well. Walking forward on this boat, you got a lot of nice features. One thing on these newer cruisers, if you've got a dedicated garbage space there under your seat. With this being a dual helm boat, we've got two helm chairs. They are identical. They both swivel, slide, and recline, and they've got flip down armrests. Very comfortable places to be. The helm is my favorite spot on these 250 Cruisers. Got that swivel seat like I showed you over there. You've also got a tilt base on your steering wheel. This one's equipped with the Simrad NSX screen in the 7-inch variant. So you've got your multifunction display there for your fish finder, charts, depth finder, all that kind of stuff. We've also done a Clarion head unit. It's got a wireless phone charger over here on the starboard side, which is a great feature. And then you're switching for your manual controls. This boat has a digital throttle paired with the 200, so it's a very smooth operation. You've also got Mercury active trim built in. Coming forward here, you'll notice we got the center locker on this boat. It's a must-have option in my opinion. Got the cover in here right now, but this is super deep. You can put half-inflated tubes in here. You can put skis in here, wakeboards, that kind of stuff. Great storage spot aboard. Also done the flip-up entertainment table here on this side, so gives you a nice little surface to lay out some items and stows away very easily, just like that. Up here at the front, these benches are identical to the rear benches. So you've got storage on both sides. You've got some items from Harris in here. And you've got anchor storage up here in the front corners as well. Plenty of cup holders again, and this is a very deep, comfortable place to sit on this boat. If you like this boat and want to check it out in person, stop by our showroom in Cornelius, give us a call, or check us out at marinemax.com and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.